What's the meaning of common room? Common room. Common room.
Common room. Common room. A common room is a shared space in a residential setting, typically found in dormitories or apartments. It is meant to be a communal gathering place where residents can socialize and relax. Common rooms may include amenities such as comfortable seating, television sets, board games, and kitchen facilities. In some cases, they may also serve as study areas. The purpose of a common room is to foster a sense of community among residents and to provide them with a comfortable and welcoming space to spend time together.